Next question from thermodynamics, and it is, what are mechanical equilibrium and thermal equilibrium? So let's see the answer. This is 2-mark question which was asked in the recent examination March 2022. Now let's see the answer of this question. Now, what are mechanical equilibrium and thermal equilibrium? So basically, mechanical equilibrium and thermal equilibrium are the thermodynamic equilibrium. Thermodynamic equilibriums are classified under 3 types. First one is mechanical equilibrium. Second one is thermal equilibrium. And third one is chemical equilibrium. Now here, in question they ask only mechanical and thermal. But we try to discuss all the 3 thermodynamic equilibrium. First one, mechanical equilibrium means what? There is no unbalanced force. When there is no unbalanced force between the system, within the system, and between system and surrounding, then system is said to be in mechanical equilibrium. Or in another word, you can say that if pressure with system and between system and surrounding must be same. If pressure is same, then also we can say that it is in mechanical equilibrium. You remember in single line here, there is no unbalanced force between the system, within the system, or between the system and surrounding. Then it is called as mechanical equilibrium. Now, second one we have to discuss, and it is thermal equilibrium. Therm means heat, or heat we measure in terms of temperature. Basically, when temperature of the system is uniform, throughout and does not change with time, then system is said to be in thermal equilibrium. In single line, you remember, if the temperature of the system is constant, then it is called as thermal equilibrium. The system is in thermal equilibrium. Similar manner, we discuss the next one, chemical equilibrium is also. Now, when there is no chemical reaction, going on within the system, then system is said to be in chemical equilibrium. So that you remember. So here it is written, when there are no chemical reaction going on within system and there will be no transfer of matter from one part of system to the another part of the system due to diffusion also, then system is said to be in chemical equilibrium. Basically, no chemical reaction occurs, then it is said to be in chemical equilibrium, that you remember. So there are 3 types of that equilibrium. Mechanical equilibrium, when there is no unbalanced force. Chemical equilibrium, when there is no ongoing chemical reaction. And thermal equilibrium, when temperature is constant.